Do you have the feeling that you're not getting the maximum out of AI? Do you feel like you're missing the boat while others are moving ahead? Then this course is for you. See, most AI tools support your work. They give you suggestions, they draft text you still have to edit. Claude with Cowork is different. It does not support your work, it does the work for you. It can take over your browser. It creates files directly on your computer, it builds spreadsheets, writes documents, and creates full presentations in PowerPoint. And yes, they look amazing. You give it a task and it executes. That is not a small distinction. This changes the way procurement is done. And here is the honest truth. Procurement professionals cannot afford to leave this on the table. The volume of work with Claude can take off your plate is mind-blowing. Your daily work will change from executing to instructing Claude what to execute for you. This is no longer experimental AI. This is your competitive advantage. If this sounds good, let me explain how we set up this course. It's built in 3 parts. Module 1 walks through every feature of Claude and Cowork lesson by lesson. I'll show you what you need to know and what settings to adjust to make sure your data stays safe and private. We'll cover memory, projects, skills, connectors, scheduling work, and much more. This is not just theory. You'll learn how to apply it the same day. Module 2 is where it gets real. Live demos where we'll do actual procurement work with Claude Cowork. You'll be looking over my shoulder to make sure this course is as practical as possible. This makes sure you can start using Claude Cowork right away. And then, in the 3rd module, I'll be giving you practical tips that will help you generate better output with less time. Consider this the low-hanging fruit part of the course. It will help you to go from just working with Claude to becoming a power user. I'll show you step by step how to set up your computer and prepare the right folders. It's simple steps you can take immediately to get as much out of Claude as possible, as quickly as possible. When you completed this course, you will have a working Claude setup, a library of ready-to-use prompts, and the skills to get structured, reliable output every time you open it. And yes, it will make you wonder why you didn't start using Claude Cowork earlier. I hope you're excited for this course. I know I am. Let's get started. I'll see you in the first lesson.